Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to add your own music to your Canva video that you are editing. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website and then head over to your project that you are working on. So after you open up your project, as you need to add your music to your Canva video that you are editing already, make sure you have downloaded your audio as a MP3 file and then click here on add audio. So you can use the downloaded music that you've downloaded as an MP3, or else you can like browse in the Canva's website, but you will need a premium subscription like the Canva Pro subscription for that. So that's how you add music to your Canva video. So thanks for watching guys. Take care.